Hi, I am architect Nikhil Patel. He is architect Ashish Patel. We are from ACE Associate. Our firm is based in Anand and now we are expanding in Ahmedabad as well. The client has worked with us previously as well. He came up with very simple requirement that he wanted his own house for his family of 5 members, and it should be a very modern house. It should have all the modern amenities and it should be unique as well.
The plot is located in a beach town. It's nearby Nadiad, Gujarat. The plot size is 19,000 square feet itself. On the northeast side of the lush green garden, there is a Haveli temple located on that area. It is connected with the water body along with the walkway on both the sides. Once you enter in the house, you will see welcoming 2 sculptures which highlights the foyer part of the residence, and from that part on the left side there is a formal living. While walking further from the foyer, there is a double heighted area which segregates the main living area and the private part of the residence. There is a family sitting next to the living hall, which is also used as a TV room and an entertainment room. It is also connected with the outdoor space with a small door. On the right side, there is a big wall mural of Radha Krishna. So it is also seen from the double height area from outside of the house from the west side. While going further, you can see the bedrooms on the right side and a long walkway going towards the dining area and kitchen as well.
On our left side, there is a vast extension of the swimming pool and the garden, and you'll find a blue concrete wall which is giving an unique experience, which has some nicely articulated mirrors and some nice paintings. There are some unique furniture which is displayed in the passage, so it gives you a little bit different kind of experience which you don't find in a normal residential passages. When you reach up to the dining area and the kitchen area, it's a big rectangular open hall volume where the family can spend their most of time in the evening. Dining area has some unique features. On the west side, there is a courtyard which filters the light to the dining area. So we have collected one very nice unique artifact, which is a horse kite sculpture. Then we went to some artists and we asked them to make a very nice real size wooden horse to us. And the dining area has a unique chandelier on top of the dining table. The dining stone is selected very keenly. It's a semi-precious stone in the theme of blue, which is nicely blending with that blue concrete wall. And the entire floor is a Jaisalmer Indian stone, so which gives that unique yellowness and striking yellow color to the space, which gives the vibrancy to the space. So from when you walk out from the kitchen, there is an outdoor dining area, which is just overlooking the pool itself.
Once you walk on the first floor, there are altogether 3 bedrooms and 1 spa room. In 3 bedrooms, one is a guest bedroom, 1 is a daughter's bedroom, and 1 is a master bedroom, son's bedroom.
The daughter's bedroom designed in a retro vintage style. For the wall decor, we went for the Sabyasachi wall coverings, which is giving a perfect retro look and which is nicely blending to our design. The 4 poster beds, the nice antique bench, and nice collection of the pillows and the throws and the tapestry. While you walk to the dressing area and the toilet of the space, which is also designed in the same theme, the styling of the handles, the glass prints. And while you talk about the toilet, which is done in that teal blue pattern kind of a tiling we have used, which is handmade tile again. We have used cast iron jalis, we have recall that arches, and entirely it's a feeling that we want to give it to the client and feeling that we want to give it to the space which is there. The son bedroom was for a couple. So we did the entire bedroom in Mediterranean style. We have employed glossy Italian marble. Even the wall is having a sheen kind of a paint and texture on the wall. Of course, the arches and some striking colors and accessories are employed to enhance that Mediterranean theme. And it is finally opening up on the north balcony, which we have a nice lazy hammock is there, and they have a nice cozy sitting in the corner, 2 chairs and a coffee table, which is overlooking the north side garden and the pool area, which is giving a nice pleasant view to the couple. Sabyasachi wallpaper was a perfect match for our design theme, which is used in the sunroom and the daughter's bedroom. And it has helped us to enhance our design theme. So we have used the Sabyasachi wallpaper.
While designing this house, the client has given us a great freedom in terms of selection of materials, budget, designing. It is always a dream come true for any designer to work for this type of clients. This was a great experience.